Hi, to learn my circle of fifths for minor keys, I just have to know what my relative minor key is of each of my major ones. Maybe not all my major ones, but specifically to get us started, C major. You already know to find the relative minor key, counting C as your tonic, counting C as do, counting it as 1, you go down 3. C, B, A. So to start my minor circle of fifths, I write in the tonic that's going to be relative to this tonic. The relative minor of C major is A minor. Then guess what we do? We go around the clock, the 12 ticks of the clock, by figuring out the note that is a perfect fifth higher than my old letter. The fifth note of the A minor scale is E. Up 5 from E is B. Up 5 from B is F sharp. Up 5 from F sharp is C sharp. Up 5 from C sharp, counting C sharp as 1, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp. It's important to make sure we're finding the circle of perfect fifths. The perfect fifth up from the old letter. Perfect fifth up from G sharp, D sharp. Perfect fifth up from D sharp, A sharp. Now remember, when we got to C sharp, in the major circle of fifths, we found its enharmonic equivalent to start the flats. And we will do the same thing here, and it will start with G sharp. What note on the piano keyboard is the exact same pitch as G sharp? A flat. So, we start with an A flat here. What is the fifth note of the A flat scale? Major or minor, because it's always a perfect fifth. A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat. Notice we're finding enharmonic equivalents. Something beeped. I thought it was my camera, but we're still rolling, so I'll keep talking. Perfect fifth up from E flat is B flat. And to check your answers, you can look at the enharmonics, and yes, E flat is the same pitch as D sharp, and yes, B flat is the same pitch as A flat. Up 5 up from a B flat is F. Up 5 from F, C. Up 5 from C is G. Up 5 from G is D. And if we did this correctly, this is going to be a perfect fifth higher than D. D, E, F, G, A. Ta-da! There is my minor circle of fifths inside my major circle of fifths. So you can find any relative minor key or relative major key ever invented by being able to make this circle of fifths and to check it as a reference. For example, what is the relative minor of E flat major? Well, the circle tells me it's C minor. Notice how I draw my minors using lowercase. It's very important to identify key signatures with the lowercase letter. That way I know I'm talking minor and not major, which get capital letters. Let's try one more of these. What is the relative major of C sharp minor? Well, C sharp minor has 4